gorgeous people. This is Ambizzares DIY and other stuff. My name is Meeks, and in today's surprise Sunday, I have some more friend mail. I gotta say, I wasn't expecting this friend mail at all, and it is a card from Kimmy, and her channel is called Kimmy's Boxes. I have no idea what she sent to me or why she sent me a card, but I'm very curious to see what is inside. So without further ado, let's check out this friend mail. Okay guys, so here's my card. I have my address covered up because this is my actual address where I live, and this is just Kimmy's P.O. box, so it's okay for me to show that part to you guys. So let's open up the card and see what she sent to me. Okay, so it says, "You are so thoughtful." Oh, here you go guys. There you go. And when I open up the card, it says, "And I'm so grateful." You are quite welcome. I don't know what I did. Let's see what I did. Hey Amber, I just wanted to say thank you again for the lovely and super fun advent calendar. How sweet. It really meant a lot to me. I still feel special that you chose me to send one to. Oh, Kimmy, you are a special person, so why would I not send one to you? Your channel is awesome, by the way. You always bring a smile to my face and make me laugh too, and want to be creative, etc. Oh, well, that means a lot to me, Kimmy. It really does. I'm glad that you laugh when you're watching my videos, because that's what I hope everybody does, because I never take myself seriously. I'm just saying. And then it says, "Thank you again, my lovely friend. Love, Kimmy," from Kimmy's Boxes. Oh, that is so sweet. You are quite welcome, Kimmy. And I wanted to take this opportunity to, I guess, kind of give everybody a heads up that I am going to be sending out my next batch of friend mail. So this is the thing, guys. I want to make sure that I make it very clear. Anytime I send friend mail to anybody, I don't want you to feel obligated, if I can spit that out. I don't want you to feel obligated to send me anything back. Now, I mean, if you want to send me something, that's totally fine. But I'm just saying, don't feel obligated to. That's not why I send things to people. I do it because I enjoy it. I do it because I think it's really fun. And I hope that I can put a smile on your face. So I kind of fought with myself for a while about this, because I'd like to send stuff and just send it out randomly and not let people know. But this is the thing. I had something custom made for each person that I'm sending the friend mail to. And I don't want them to see everybody else's videos before they get their package and open it up, because I want to see an authentic reaction. I mean, I'm hoping you guys film them. If you don't film them, that's fine too. But I'm hoping that you guys do, because all of this friend mail is going out to YouTubers only right now. I do have some other friend mail that I'm going to be sending out to people who are subscribed to my channel, but don't have channels, but I'm not going to send that out in this first round. Anyways, I'm getting a little bit off track here. So this is the thing. If you guys are going to film the unboxings, I just encourage you to not watch anyone else's unboxings of what I sent to them, because I want to see an authentic reaction to this one item that everybody is getting that I had custom made for each person. So I'm going to share the list of people that will be getting friend mail from me this time. There are 13 people on the list. I know, I'm probably out of my mind. You know, I guess I'd have to be. I do YouTube. I'm just saying. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm going to go over each person and why I decided to add them to my friend mail list. So the first person, I made one for myself. I thought I would go ahead and include myself on this too. I'm just saying. All right, the next person is Casey. So Casey changed the name of her channel, so that is going to affect this item that I had custom made, but I still am going to send it to her because I feel like it's not that big of a change. She just changed her first word of her channel to Casey from Christina. So yeah, you're going to get something that's custom made that has your other channel name on it, so hopefully nobody else changes their channel before they get this thing that I custom made for them. So at any rate, the reason why I chose Casey is because I love watching her channel. She's very honest, she's very sweet, and I liked watching her from the start. I actually did a collab with her when I was watching her do, she put together these subscription boxes for her family members, and I thought it was super cool. So I thought it would be fun to go ahead and collab together and try to do a FabFitFun subscription box for half the cost. It was such a fun collab. She did such an awesome job with it. And we actually have each other's phone number. we text every now and again. Like if she gets an off-color comment or whatever, she'll be like, hey, what do you think about this? You know, and that kind of stuff. So it's super fun. She is such a sweet, sweet lady and I absolutely love her. So of course I included her on my friend mail. Okay, so the next person is Blessed GMP, Pat. Love Pat. Pat is the first YouTuber to send me a friend mail, and it meant the world to me. She just has no idea how much that meant to me. And I know it was just something small that she sent me, but sometimes it's the smallest things that mean a lot to a person. So of course I included her on my friend mail list. I'm going to be sending something to her as well. So again, all of you guys that I'm mentioning, please try not to watch each other's videos so that I can see that authentic reaction if you do decide to film this unboxing. Just want to throw that in there again. Okay. And then we have Joy from Joy Keeps You on Your Toes. I love watching Joy. You know, she does a lot of really cool makeup looks, and I absolutely love that about her. She's very honest, and she just kind of lets you know what's on her mind. And I also love that she's starting to get back into crafting. I mean, you guys know I'm a hardcore crafter, so watching her get back into crafting and share all of that with us, I think is totally awesome. And I just really like watching her channel, so I added her to my list. Okay, then we have Jean from Jean's Junk. Oh, Jean, she is so fun to watch. She gets some of the funniest hauls, and she does a lot of taste testings. She is also a crafter, so I love my fellow crafters. So I decided to add her to my list. Jean was also on my first wave of friend mail where I sent out the advent calendars, but I didn't send her an advent calendar. I decided to just send her this crazy flamingo tree that I made. I just wanted to send it to her. When I watch her channel, I just thought, man, she really needs a pink tree in her background. So for Christmas anyway. So that's why I decided to make her one. And I also added her to this next wave of my friend mail. So that is Jean from Jean's Junk. And Sheila from Face and Fashions. I love watching Sheila. She is just so fun to watch. She does a lot of try-on videos, and she has other hauls and things like that. And I just think she's super fun to watch. And she's actually pretty darn close to where I live. So I'm hoping once this pandemic settles down and stuff like that, that I can go meet her and we can do something fun together. I don't know, just a fun try-on video or something like that. Maybe we can meet up halfway or whatever. But she's actually quite close to where I'm at. So I would love to do a collab with her in person and just get to meet another person that does YouTube. It would be so super fun. So that's Sheila from Face and Fashions, and then Kim from Kimmy's Boxes, the friend mail that she just sent me today. I just love watching Kim. She's real, she's raw, and she's really super fun to watch. And it was so funny because she had mentioned in one of the videos where I unboxed some things that Casey had sent to me, some secondhand clothes. She just loved this tapestry blanket thing that I had unboxed, and I would have done a DIY with it, but I was like, I hate to do that when there's somebody out there that absolutely loves it and just wants it in its original state. So I loved the piece and I would definitely have done something with it, but I just felt, you know, I want to go ahead and send it to her. And that's actually what kind of sparked the idea of the advent calendars, guys. I'm not gonna lie, that's actually what sparked the initial idea for it, was me wanting to send that tapestry throw to Kim, and I just didn't want to send that to her. I don't know, I'm just not that kind of person. So I wanted to just kind of flare it up a little bit, and I ended up being advent calendars for several other YouTubers. Just saying. So Kim is on my list, and then we have Jean Louise. What can I say? Who doesn't love Jean Louise? She is such a sweet, sweet woman. Her reactions to things that she gets from people or in her subscription boxes or whatever is 100% authentic. And who doesn't love her infectious laugh? She's just such a beautiful person, and I absolutely love watching Jean. So, of course, Jean is on my list again. She was one of the actually first YouTubers that I sent a lot of my custom-made things that I make by hand too. So I sent her quite a few pieces, and I just knew that she would appreciate them. So that's why I wanted to do that for her. So she is on my list for this next wave. Now, this next wave is not going to have anything that I custom made by hand for anybody. This was a custom design that I had, and I had them, you know, made somewhere else, but I did design this one thing that everybody's gonna get. I'm trying not to give it away. Okay, then we have Lois. Oh my gosh, Lois from Life with Lois. I'm sure everybody knows who Lois is. Lois is probably my biggest cheerleader. Oh my gosh, I love, love Lois. Like recently, I actually accidentally loaded a bunch of short videos and made them all public. Usually when I load all of my videos, I load them up and make them in private mode, but it was very late. And I was loading on my phone, which I never do. I always load from my iPad, and I was loading on my iPhone. And then when I looked, I was like, oh no, they're all public. So I thought, should I go back and change it? And then I was like, nah, whatever. I'll just leave it. I'm pretty sure they'll just go into the short videos section. They're not going to go to my main page. Well, they went to my main page, and Lois, bless her heart, watched every single one of them. I mean, you want to talk about a support person. Wow, what a great friend. What a great cheerleader. She commented on each and every single one. Lois is a very, very special person and is very near and dear to my heart. I just love her to death, and by far one of my biggest cheerleaders. So of course, Lois is on my next batch of friend mail. Okay, so next I have Kelly from Kelly's Unboxings and Reviews. Actually, she changed her name. I'm sorry. It's Kelly's Unboxing Addiction. And yes, I did get that right when I had these things custom made for this next round. So, yeah, but her channel name is called Kelly's Unboxing Addiction. I love Kelly. She's very sweet and very nice to, fun to watch, you know, her unboxings. And she also gives you a very honest opinion about stuff. She actually popped in on my channel, and I was doing a Nadine West review, and she just commented on the video, said that she had done one. So I ended up jumping over to her channel, watching it, and then it just kind of went from there. We've just kind of been supporting each other ever since. It's been pretty awesome. She is another YouTuber who will text and or call me if she has questions or wants to learn a little bit more about something or whatever. You know what I'm saying? So it's just nice to have that connection with people. So awesome. Kelly is on my list. Then we have, Mary. My sweet Mary. Mary is, her channel is called Mary's Corner now, but it used to be Mary Kay Jones. She's got to be one of the sweetest people ever. I mean, oh my gosh, I just love, love, love her. I love watching her. She is just so fun to watch, and it's just one of those warm people that you just absolutely fall in love with the first time you see them. I'm just shocked that her channel isn't bigger than it is, or any of these people that I'm mentioning, because they are just all such great people, and I love watching all of them very much. But Mary is very near and dear to my heart. I just love her to death. So, of course, Mary is on my list. Next, we have Tiffany Wears T-shirts. So, I don't get to make it to Tiffany's channel as much as I would like to. I love watching her. I think she is an awesome person, and I just love the content that she puts out there. But I'm sure she'll probably be surprised that she's on my list, but I really do like watching her stuff. And I also like that she's very much like me, and she likes to send people things, and she likes to make people happy. It's just in her DNA. So we are very much alike when it comes to that. So I just thought, you know what? It's her turn. So I wanted to go ahead and add her to my list. So Tiffany Wears T-shirts is on my list as well. Linda Roy from Mature Sass. Oh my gosh, who doesn't love watching Linda do all of her awesome lookbooks? I mean, she has got the best style like ever. I love watching her put these outfits together and try on all the different stuff and share her jewelry collection or purse collection or whatever it is she's sharing that with that day with us. I just love watching Linda, and she's real too, and she's raw, and she just kind of tells you like it is. So of course I wanted to add Linda to my list. Linda actually knows that she's on my list because I had to get her address. These other people, I was able to find P.O. boxes in their description box or about section, so I was just going to send them something out. But if you guys are comfortable giving me your real address and you would prefer that I send the package to your real address, just reach out to me. I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, or you can send me an email at ameeks@ambizzares.com. Just wanted to throw that out there. Otherwise, I'll just ship these to your P.O. boxes. Okay, so the very last person, I think. Is this the last person? I'm going to have to make sure. But anyways, I think this is the last person on my list, and that is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I love Mary. I just love Mary. She is such a beautiful person. She is so real. I love watching her. I have to get caught up on her videos, and I'm going to do that very soon, but I absolutely love watching Mary. She is just such a sweet, sweet woman. And I just sent her some of my little gift bows. I would have definitely wanted to send her a little bit more for the holidays, but of course I was already overwhelmed with all of the friend mail that I had already sent out. So, but I wanted to send her a little something, you know, because she was doing the whole Christmas card exchange. It was so awesome. That was so fun, Mary. I loved that whole thing. So this time I added her to the actual friend mail list. So she's going to get a nice little package from me this time, just like everybody else. So that is, I believe, the last person that is on the list for this batch of friend mail. So who knows, the list could grow, it could decrease, who knows what's going to happen. I just enjoy sending things to people and making people happy. So again, if I just mentioned your name and you are on my list for this next batch of friend mail, I encourage you to please, pretty please, do not watch anyone else's unboxing of what I've got for them until you do your own, because I want to see your reaction to these things that I custom made for each of you. So I'm hoping that you guys catch this video and that you will not, please do not watch anyone else's video until you get your box. Again, I'm going to be shipping them out on Monday of next week is my plan. So again, if somebody doesn't want me to send it to their PO box, they would prefer I send it to their home, just reach out to me and let me know that. So that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY. My name is Amber Meeks. Yeah, my hair just looked weird. I don't know. I hate it. My hair looks weird on camera. Let's try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Ambizzares DIY. My name is Amber Meeks and other stuff. Try it again. So that's all I got for you guys in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye!